What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video we're going to be talking about the top 3 premier hotels at Universal Orlando Resort. Now the first one is Hard Rock Hotel. Hard Rock Hotel offers 650 rooms from standard rooms all the way to the Graceland Suite. Yes, you heard that right, you can stay at an Elvis Graceland Suite for I don't know how much, but I'm sure it's $1,000 and over. Now the prices of this hotel range from $300 a night all the way to $800 a night. That is high peak or low season. Low season, sometimes if you're an annual pass holder or a Florida resident, in low seasons you can get like $200 to $300 per night, but most of the time it's $300 all the way to $800 a night. Now I've stayed at Hard Rock Hotel and I love the walking distance, a short walking distance, like a 5-minute walking distance to Universal Studios Florida. You have your own security, so you don't have to deal with the garages or all that packed stuff. Everybody's parking in the garages. You just have your own exclusive, I call it the VIP entrance to City Walk, so you can go to Universal Studios Florida and Islands of Adventure. Of course, if you don't feel like walking 5 minutes, they do have a boat taxi that will be less than 5 minutes because it will just drop you right off in the middle of City Walk to enjoy islands and studios. So yeah, you don't have to be on your feet because you're gonna do a lot of walking in the theme parks anyway, so they still offer the boat taxi, which I think is pretty nice and pretty cool. So the next hotel is right next to Hard Rock, which is Portofino Bay. Portofino Bay is an Italy themed hotel, and this hotel is so beautiful. It offers over 750 rooms from standard rooms all the way to the presidential suite. Now the price ranges from this hotel could be $400 all the way to $1,000 per night, because this hotel is the top premier hotel over Hard Rock and Royal Pacific. So this hotel offers like 3 pools, a bunch of dining locations, pizza of course, and a bunch of night entertainment, live singers singing in the balcony like it's Italy, because it is Italy. It's so cool. Now yes, you can walk from Portofino Bay over to the parks, which will take you 15 to 20 minutes, but to save those legs for the theme parks, they do offer boat taxis, which will take you about approximately less than 5 minutes from the boat taxi to take you to City Walk to enjoy both theme parks. So if you want to be closer to Islands of Adventure, in the Islands of Adventure side, you want to be staying at Royal Pacific Resort. Royal Pacific Resort is a Hawaiian themed hotel, which is so cool. I've visited this before. The smell of this hotel, it feels like you're in an island. It doesn't feel like you're at Universal Studios Florida. Universal does a very good job theming these hotels to make it exclusively like you're in another world, but at the same time at Universal. This hotel has a lot of rooms. It has over 1,000 rooms, and the prices can range from $400 to $800 a night. This hotel is walking distance to Islands of Adventure. It does have walking trail to Islands of Adventure, but that's going to take you like 15 to 20 minutes. But there is a boat taxi which you can take, which will take you less than 5 minutes to arrive to City Walk to enjoy both theme parks. The hotel offers 1 pool, a lot of dining locations, and nighttime entertainment as well. That is it for the top 3 premier hotels at Universal Orlando Resort, but I am missing 2 huge benefits while staying at these top 3 premier hotels. Now the first benefit is included in all Universal hotels, which is EPA early park admission. You can go into the park 1 hour before the general public and enjoy the Wizarding World of Harry Potter over at Hogsmeade and Islands of Adventure, and Diagon Alley over at Universal Studios Florida. Now the best perk and benefit while staying at these top 3 premier hotels, and this is why it's my favorite, you get unlimited express. Now unlimited express pass, you can skip the lines and unlimited time at whatever attraction except Hagrid's Motorbike Creature Adventure over at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter in Hogsmeade. You cannot use your unlimited express even though you're staying at a top 3 premier hotel. But you still can skip every single attraction at Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios Florida unlimited times, like unlimited times. Now a tip I love to tell you guys is that as soon as you check in into your hotel and it is not ready yet, grab your room key, because you can use your room key for unlimited express. So that is your key for unlimited express passes for both theme parks, and you want to just drop your bags off at the hotel and just vacation free, get the room keys. Your room is not ready yet, but you can go straight to Universal Studios Florida or Islands of Adventure and enjoy unlimited express passes, and then you get a text that your room is ready, and then you come back and check into your room. That's the best way to utilize your unlimited express passes as soon as you enter your premier hotel. So let me know in the comments down below if this video has helped you on your next Universal Orlando vacation, if that's for Hard Rock Hotel, Portofino Bay, or Royal Pacific Resort. Let me know in the comments down below. So with that being said, go live life, do what you love. Remember, always follow your dreams. Bye guys.